Let's get ready to make this very sexy mascarpone cream that you probably already know as the popular star ingredient to the Italian dessert tiramisu. The first thing that you want to do is carefully separate the eggs, the yolks from the whites, and set them aside. Then take your time to measure all the ingredients. In Italy, we have learned to enjoy this as a topping for many other things other than the popular dessert. Here is a quick variation that you can do to bring a little sweetness to your soul. We are now gonna whip the egg whites into almost a whipped cream looking like mousse. And the key to this is that your whisk must be spotlessly clean. Be patient here and trust the process. You will know when it's done because you can literally turn the bowl upside down and your egg whites will stick to the bowl and will not fall. Are you trusting yourself to do this test? We are now preparing the sugar so we can pasteurize our egg yolks. And you just take the sugar and put it in a little pot with 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. You bring it to a quick boil, very short, and then you're gonna use this into the egg yolks as you're whipping them. Just remember that you need to use this as soon as it comes off the stove while it's still boiling hot. Make sure that your blender is on full speed once you start pouring the hot sugary liquid. This can also be used to pasteurize the egg whites just by halving the sugar that you cook at the time. You can use half for the egg whites and half for the yolks. Keep whipping your egg yolks until they're fluffy and light in color. They should look like a very luxurious and rich cream. Now it's time to add the mascarpone. Before blending it, I like to piece it up a little bit. I feel it will blend better and create less of a mess. Make sure you blend it into a very nice, smooth and rich, fluffy cream. We now carefully add half of the egg whites and very gently mix it in by turning from bottom to top with a spatula. Take your time. You want to make sure not to destroy the little air bubbles that are in the egg whites. That is what gives the fluffiness and lightness to this cream. Once it's blended, add the other half and do the same. It's now time to put it all together. A little secret, and this is a preference, you can add a tablespoon of rum or brandy or cognac to the espresso, but that is entirely up to you. How you want to put this together is entirely up to you. You can just fill a glass with mascarpone cream and crumble the graham cracker and the dark chocolate on top with the espresso, or you can make layers, as I'm doing right now. place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour and serve when you're ready to indulge. I hope you enjoyed this. Other variations, you can use just the cream with strawberries, fresh fruit, or just like that with some dark chocolate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the comments below. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.